Hey guys, thanks for checking in. Today's video is actually going to be about the 3rd gen Tacoma sliders made by 4-wheel parts that are inside this huge ass box. We're going to get into the box, see what's inside, and we'll eventually get them on the truck. First off, I want to say a big shout out to Tyler from Tacoma 3G Forums and 4-wheel Parts for putting together a giveaway that allowed me to actually win this set of sliders for free. Again, huge shout out. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to get them on and see how they do. So let's crack the box open and see what's inside. So first impressions here, we got this really cool kind of cutout. It's actually, I don't know, it's extremely precise. I mean, if you look how close it is, the edges are really nice. You know, they're just put a lot of effort into making this look good. This, you know, it's got a solid powder coat. These are the mount brackets where we mount to the truck. From my understanding, we can actually bolt it straight up to the truck without any drilling or welding or anything like that. They do provide apparently one extra hole, so when you go to install it, you can actually drill a hole and have even more strength than what is offered with just the basic bolt-on. Just kind of looking at close-up on the welds, they all look pretty good. I mean, you know, the quality is there. I don't know where they get these things made, if they're made locally or if they're made overseas, but from what I can see, I mean, it's a really nice piece. If we lift this puppy up, looks like it's not a consistent weld all the way across the bar, which is kind of interesting. I would figure for more structural integrity, you'd want this completely welded all the way across, but I'm not an engineer, professional welder, so I don't know. But yeah, I mean, the bottom construction looks pretty good overall too. And then we got the back side of the brackets over here. And overall, I mean, a really strong, solid piece. I believe these are the mounts for the rock lights built in, so you can just bolt up some rock lights right there. But yeah, I mean, again, you know, looking at the welds, really high quality welds, just solid all the way across. You know, that powder coat, can't beat that powder coat. One of the cooler features I noticed about these, something that's kind of uncommon from what I've seen with other rock sliders, is this outer piece here is like, it's all one piece. It's just like, runs all the way down. Something like that, that's a really expensive process. That's sometimes a time-consuming thing to do. And all the way around, it's just, you just have these smooth, rounded edges. There's no sharp cut points, no welds, nothing is visible. You know, so it's just one big piece. And I'm interested to see how that compares to your standard, you know, tube slider, where it's just basically built out of all this tube stock all the way through. Got a full box of hardware and our instructions. 4-wheel Parts Factory, 16 to 20 Toyota Tacoma Rock Sliders. All right, so we have everything unwrapped. Took quite a bit of fighting to get all the wrapping off of that. They say don't use a knife, but I highly recommend using a knife. Basically, they give you everything needed for installation with this thing. Plus, I mean, they got a breakdown of all the parts that you should have. They have the full instruction manual for you that has step-by-step, you know, really detailed instructions on how to get this thing done. So, you know, they make it as easy as they can for you. Now, I did weigh these things. They weigh about 82 pounds, 82 to 84, depending on your scale, each. So 82 to 84 pounds each. A lot heavier than factory. Overall, the construction is really solid on these things. Like I said, I mean, this whole outer piece is just one complete piece. There's no welds, there's nothing that is gonna crack or anything. You know, all the edges are really nicely radiused. The powder coat on it is really solid. Looking forward to getting them on the truck because I know that they're gonna look really good. I'm not really looking forward to all the little brackets and everything that come along with it. But hey, you know what? It's part of the process. So anyway, stay tuned for the next couple videos. We're going to be putting these things on, getting some impressions of what they look like on the truck. And then I have a couple other upgrades I'm doing to the truck at the same time. You know, there's a lot more truck related content coming to the channel soon. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned, check in on the next videos, and we'll see you next time.